you may want to actually get a pen and a piece of paper to write this down. You got a pen and piece of paper out? Fantastic. So the first thing that I would do to build trust and credibility is simply to have confidence. When you put out content, you got to do it with confidence, not as someone who's scared, especially when you're doing videos like what you're seeing right now. You got to make sure that you exhibit confidence, like you are the leader that people want to follow, not just someone who's desperate to make a sale. Because I will be honest, not to name any names out there, but there's a lot of people out there right now who I see on social media that they keep making it all about the company and keep talking about the benefits and features about if they get signed up with this company. And that's all you see. And you notice that the way that they market is very amateurish. And especially if they're approaching your messenger inboxes, even more worse. So I would recommend that if you really want to build that trust and credibility, you got to make sure to exhibit confidence. Not fake confidence, but confidence that you're comfortable in your own skin, that you're the leader and the authority in your niche and you know what you're talking about. Exhibit confidence in all that you do for your marketing, especially when you're doing videos. Now, in order to build trust and credibility, the second thing I would do is to give people what they want. People that are in your niche right now have pains, challenges, and problems that they're going through. And they're on the internet searching for answers. Now, you're going to make sure that you structure your content in a way that it's going to be not only informative, but helpful to your target niche. Don't give away everything that you're doing in your business. Save that for when they sign up, but you want to make sure to pique their curiosity. Make sure to actually show them that they can still be successful even though they're faced with all these challenges and pains and problems that they're having right now. Because if you're not really showing people that you're the authority and all you're just doing is messing around, then no one's going to be really tuning into your content that much. They're just going to think that you're just there to have fun and not really be a marketer. And that comes with positioning yourself as the leader and authority in the marketplace. It's so essential that you do that, because if you don't, then what's going to happen is people are not going to trust you. You're not going to have that credibility. In fact, people are just going to turn away from you because they don't see you as the solution provider. They don't see you as the one that's going to help them with their challenges, with their pains, with their problems. The third thing I would add to that list is to share results. Now, what happens if you're someone that's brand new and you don't have any results in your business right now? This is what I would do. I would start, first of all, by building my results, either from doing a solo ad run and then showcasing however many leads that you get into your autoresponder, especially when you make your first sale. You can also share other people's success stories about how this program has helped them change their lives. Now, you don't need to, don't say what the program is, but you want to word it in a way that it piques their curiosity. So you can share other people's success stories and especially share your own results too, because that's what's going to help you build up that credibility and trust so that people will not think for a moment that you're bullshitting them. And that's the last thing that they want, is to feel like they're being toyed with and lied to. Nobody likes being lied to. So have confidence, be the authority and leader in the marketplace, help solve their pains, problems, and challenges, and be sure to share your results even if it's other people's success stories.